Okay then, so now the wheels are back on, and as you saw from the little video clips, the race ball bearings has made a difference to how well this vehicle actually rolls now. So for such a cheap little upgrade, you do notice a very good improvement. Okay, so this is just a quick push test with the WLtoys A959a. So this is the non-upgraded version, so basically it doesn't have race ball bearings in. I'm going to fit some race ball bearings, but before I want to do that, I'm just going to do a quick comparison. So I'm going to do a quick push test. I've disconnected the motor, so everything is now free rolling, but because this has brass bushings in the wheels, not ball bearings, it doesn't roll that well and creates a bit of friction. So I'm going to just show you that now by doing a quick push test, and we'll see how far it rolls. So it's literally just sat on this tiny little slope. I'm just going to gently push it. There we go, and that's exactly how far it rolls. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little twig and I'll put the twig there and then come back, and then we'll do the same test again once I put ball bearings in it. Okay then, so this is just the second half of the video on the WLtoys A959a. Basically, I've now fitted the race ball bearings in the buggy, and we're going to see how much of an improvement it's going to make to this chassis being able to free roll. So there's a stick down there, and obviously I know it's made a slight improvement straight away, because before it would sit on this slope no problem, but now I've put ball bearings in there and took out the bushes. It wants to roll as soon as I let go of it, so I'm expecting it to roll a little bit different. Now this slope is very slight, it's not a big slope whatsoever, but like I say, we're going to see how much of a difference it actually makes to the rolling capabilities of this little vehicle. So I'm going to let go now and we'll see how far it rolls. Nice, as you can see, that's made a slight improvement, about a foot and a half. So yeah, the race ball bearings have done their job, and this thing rolls so much nicer now. So now the wheels are back on, and as you saw from the little video clips, the race ball bearings has made a difference to how well this vehicle actually rolls now. So for such a cheap little upgrade, you do notice a very good improvement, and that's also going to translate to when it comes to using the vehicle properly. Now, like I say, there's going to be some few other videos coming up on this. I've got some plans for these vehicles, and I have the truck as well, and I'm going to be doing basically the same upgrades on each one, maybe slightly different on the monster truck. I want to get some bigger wheels on it, but on this one here, basically I'm going to be putting some oversized big bore adjustable shocks on there. Hopefully you can see the size difference. These are quite a lot larger and so much better than the original ones. These are just very plasticky. They leak oil if you put oil in there. They're just not great shocks. The springs are not very strong. They're just not great. But I picked up some Tamiya TT05 shocks, and these things fit perfectly. And like I say, it just makes the vehicle perform so much nicer. So this will be the next upgrade I'll be doing on this buggy, but also I'm going to change the gears as well. The main gear here is just a weak plastic, so I'm actually going to either go for a hardened plastic or a steel one. I've not decided yet. And also the pinion gear, this is a brass pinion gear as far as I'm aware, and yet again it's just not that solid. I much prefer hardened steeled gears, so I'm going to be changing that as well, and it's going to make an improvement on this little vehicle. Now I'm also going to change the cups, the drive shaft. So yeah, I've got a few little plans for this little vehicle. But for this video, guys, that is it. I just wanted to do a little video showing you how to replace the bushings and put race ball bearings in there. Once again, I'm sorry the video was a bit all over the place. I'm really not used to this setup compared to being at home. I've not got all my tools either, so it just makes my life a little bit more tricky. But the other videos I will be doing at home. I might do the suspension videos here, but let's get a bit more straightforward anyway. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit that bell notification button and give me a thumbs up as well if you want to. So that's it for me, guys. Happy RCing. Take care. Bye bye.